Assalamu alaikum dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I am also good. Today the date is Thursday 11th June 2020. And dear student, we are going to do the work of English subject and the topic which we have to discuss today is initial sound. आज हम initial sound के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि initial sound की एक्टिविटी आपने किस तरह सॉल्व करनी होती है. बट बिफोर गोइंग टू आवर लेक्चर आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज़ इनिशियल साउंड. इनिशियल साउंड is the beginning sound that you can hear when you say any word. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब भी कोई आप लफ्ज़ बोलते हैं तो वो पहली आवाज़ जो आपके मुंह से उस लफ्ज़ को बोलते हुए निकलती है, इट्स कॉल्ड इनिशियल साउंड. वो उसका इनिशियल साउंड होता है, वो पहली आवाज़ जो आपके मुंह से निकलती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ यू वांट टू से अ वर्ड फिश, अगर आपने फ़िश बोलना है, द फर्स्ट साउंड विच कम्स फ्रॉम योर माउथ इज़ फिश. होल्ड योर वॉइस एंड फील विच साउंड comes first. Fish. So the F is the beginning sound of fish. Jelly. If you want to say jelly, jelly, the first sound is J. J is the beginning sound of jelly. If you want to say banana, so the first sound is B. The initial sound will be B. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल शेयर अ वीडियो विद यू. उसको वीडियो को आप ध्यान से देखेंगे और उसके बाद आपको ये एक्टिविटी बहुत इजीली आप सॉल्व कर सकेंगे इनिशियल साउंड की. सो वॉच द वीडियो केयरफुली.
Okay, dear students, after revising the sound from A to H, now our task is tell the beginning sound. So here I put some pictures and some sounds. You have to tell the initial sound, the beginning sound. So let's start. Our first picture is house. Okay, house, or you can say hut. It's easy for you to say house. तो हमारे पास ये पिक्चर है हाउस की. तो what is the beginning sound comes from your mouth when you say house? House. The sound comes. So here I put the card of H. House. House. Our next picture is egg. Egg. The first sound that comes from your mouth is egg. So we will search out where is the sound. Here is so I will put The next picture is apple. Apple. The first sound is apple. So I will put a sound with apple. The next picture is cat. The first sound is k. So I will put k sound under cat. The next picture is fish. So the first sound that comes from your mouth is while saying fish. So I will put F sound with fish. The next picture is grapes. Grapes बोलते हुए आपके मुंह से पहला साउंड ग निकलता है. So I will put ga sound with grapes. The next picture is doll. D, d, doll. The first sound is d. So I will put the sound with doll. And the next picture is ball. B, b, ball. The sound that comes first from your mouth is b. So I will put b with ball. So here you have completed your second task. Write the beginning sound of the picture.
I hope, dear students, you have learned a lot from this video. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.